My name na Chike Oge.
In the mood to love somebody, in the mood to party. Oh yeah, Mr. DJ put on for the play.
And now they watch Talk.
Oh yeah, J1 Luagolo, make all these guys they ulambolo. Kilo Jeko Mono Woro.
Alright, my name is Sheila BCFR, the Black Commandant of the Federal Republic. Now, so that they call me. When they watch Talk, you know now. People like us, they talk fire. If you come out here, you enter problem. We go talk on our life. That oh yeah, keep watching Talk now.
Hey, my people have fun now. My name is J1. They call me Oluwaji, and I talk now they watch for Wazobia TV. God bless you. Thank you.
All right, we're so happy today. So finally. The voice of the people, they actually hear for example, Nigeria. Congratulations to Nigeria!
Yes, sir.
Yes, congratulations. We don't choose our president, but we still get president.
Yes.
He's still on the seat for now.
Yeah.
Until he hand over to the
May 29. May 29, yes.
May 29. And then Mohamed Buhari will actually enter on top seat. But the thing we say, we don't see pictures of some kind jubilation where they happen, but the kind jubilation not just jail, where coffin the day involved and everything.
Goats, they dog, they I don't know.
Our people still, especially for the North, a lot of people for the North, they still need a lot of enlightenment on what democracy actually really be. The fact, and funny enough, this election, I appreciate the fact that people don't really vote for political parties, then vote for individuals. And now what we really need, because if not based on political party, we go still do the same position where we did like years back. So now people don't know, say, okay, this is a really democratic era, and we really fit raise our voice and then go hear our voice. But the Northerners, they really need enlightenment. Say, okay, yes, another party don't enter, but you know what I mean? So yeah, because what that they do now, if you incite another thing in the nearest future, if the party where be said that they claim, say that they won't bury, if they come back, you go to start another thing again because that's the kind of mentality and mindset. So the new president-elect, we don't get, he gets a lot of work to do.
Assignments there,
on him people.
All right, we they tell you today, say, is it okay for you to jubilate? Because this one actually new change, new era. We don't enter the dawn of the day. New political system don't enter power. We did celebrate them. Yes, celebrate. Drink all the things that you want to drink.
It is rare for African country to do this kind of election with the tension and everything. People travel, go back to their village, say, oh, in case you know they come back, no problem.
The
fear
world,
everywhere.
The world they watch.
You know,
the White House,
the world everywhere they watch. You know, so
I just they're very impressed.
We did. We thank God. We thank God. Say at least it better pass for the last 4 years on, because I remember that time I covered the election.
In fact, personally, I feel say our election don't they change.
Yeah, in our process.
Every time, every election we get, we did better every election. Trust me, I even feel say now only president we do so. Governor said, by the time we do that one, we go better pass this one we just do.
Amen.
All right, on that note, welcome you come talk. And I might look with us into Dr. ourselves fast. Yes, we are happy. That's how we need to talk on this one. My name is Joliment and welcome to our family day. Wednesdays are our family day. The ladies, them, you don't hear their voice, but they're going to talk about themselves.
Oh yes, I will don't come another episode of Talk. My name na Betiana Mweli.
And my name na Maka Okudiafo.
My own name still remains Queen B. Queen B or Balu. I don't know why she doesn't feel all hot and.
Amaka today, I need to feel very sexy. Yeah. I don't go pack my hair. I go leave them. You know that rough, sexy. They look at myself. Sure.
I said she can't they dance.
Amaka, wait. You don't need to talk. Sometimes you just need to keep quiet. You get some people where you don't need to overdress for your sexiness to show. So Amaka, you're already sexy. So you don't need the entire. You don't need to show everything.
Oh my sweetheart.
Chat.
Now,
alright, waiting they hot, I beg.
No, don't finish.
We are finished. Batting gel I use a bit detergent.
There is basso.
Tiana, we get story.
Tiana, give us story.
Oh yes, you got one story where actually really catch my eye.
It's supposed to catch our eye too, Abby.
Oh yes, you're not supposed to trick your eye for inside because it's a really serious story. And this one concerned Elvina Ibru from the popular Ibru family for inside the Delta States.
Okay.
She got one better interview where she do exclusive to one of the blogs where we know for inside Nigeria. And this one she called, they can't quote on waiting she talk about her beliefs on the marriages for inside Nigeria and even inside Obodo world. They ask her, say, some time ago, they ask her whether she believe in marriage, but she says she don't believe in marriage. They're going to ask her, say, why? And this narrating she talk, and I quote. She said people feel say she no go marry because she no believe in marriage or because she no get anybody where they toast them. Say, but then they're very wrong. So she actually believe plenty for inside marriage, but she get plenty reasons why she no want enter the marriage institution. She said because marriage, they don't make nonsense for this part of the country. And as far as she dey concerned, it no dey fair to the constitution of women. So everything when marriage they do, it no dey favor women for inside the society. She can't talk, say if woman, say she come from Urobo side for inside Delta State, Nigeria, and say for that Urobo side, if a man cheat on a woman, everybody expect and say make the woman forgive the man. But if woman cheat on the man, say then go say then they call names, different names. Some people go say she be winch, some people go say this one she be selling body person. Different names, then they go call the woman. Say for even that side of Urobo, say the mothers, if your husband cheats on your mother go tell you, say that's not marriage for you. some go tell you, say now what's in it be you go accept and like some go tell you, say now love, it just go taste, it go come back. So now waiting that they do for inside Urobo side. Say but if woman cheat on the man and the man forgive, they go say, hey, oh boy, I bet she don't bury calabash for you. Or if the man they faithful to the woman, they go say, she don't bury calabash for you. Say, why you go there faithful? You know, get like 3 or 5 outside. Say now why she no go fit to marry. And she also mentioned another one. Say she know they date married men. She prefer single men, even though say she be 42 years old, and then she prefer younger men.
Wow. For me, you know, it's in.
She talk plenty.
She talk plenty. No, she really talk plenty.
And
but
to me,
I not reason that it makes sense, but I'm not reason that to just Urobo men. Because most men for other tribes, they do this kind of thing. So, and even your parents go tell you, say, come on. When man cheats on you, you go complain to your parents. They go tell you, say, come, leave her. He go come back house. Especially the mothers. He go come back house. Maybe now you get the ring.
Now you get the house.
Now you get the house.
You go come back, come meet you. Now you want children for him.
Now you put for
house. Now you be the wife. He just go. We'll come back.
So not be exclusive to just Urobo people or Urobo men. Now actually different places. But if she use that one as a yardstick for her not to marry, then she go stay very, very old and single. Very old.
But she don't want marry.
She said she don't want marry, Abi. Okay,
now the commitment of marriage, now she don't want go into.
No, not be relationship. She
say
they fear her. She talk say they don't useless sound for here.
Yes.
So they don't too. She probably not talk this thing before. Say the way that they take marriage for here nowadays, they know they take her seriously. They don't rubbish waiting marriage really be. So she just look and say when they don't rubbish and waiting, I won't come enter and do. Now
who is them done? Who is the them? We don't register.
Society.
We don't rubbish.
Society.
Who be the society? Who is the society?
Be the society.
So now we go blame Abi. Each and every one of us.
Everybody get their own personal blame.
Including
even
her.
She get the mightiest blame of all. For her to even still sit down again, God thought she prefer younger men.
At
now
42.
her taste anyway.
Yeah, because at 42, she said she actually the date person will be 34 years and she gets 6-year-old Pekin.
Okay, she already get Pekin.
She already get
naim she they think of not serious for marriage.
You already drop one, so you get the opportunity. But me, I want to even add this one. Not be even like we talk, not be only just Urobo men. From my village, you know what they talk? The mother go actually say she no born the man for only you.
Yeah.
Me a be near year ago. Quote me, I come from Okpila. I no born the man for only you. 100 million.
Where you come from again?
Okpila.
So the mama go open her mouth.
You don't try for me.
No, but that one no come mean say.
But not be
that one no come mean say the men they go out because now the mentality don't come change because if you notice, if so far so good, the new people where they marry now, I tell you, now big fight for my village for you to do court wedding. The mother go kill herself.
They don't believe him.
You
Yes,
won't carry the boy go court.
Yes.
The mentality be say you don't cage the boy, put on for box. Even she self no go near the house.
So that's your chopping money. Yes.
Oh, up till today as I tell you.
Yeah.
Up till today as I tell you. He gets some family once you just open mouth say court. Sorry, we not
They're
marry you
skeptical
again.
about him.
As you just say court, no marriage.
Wow.
For Okpila,
No,
not
see my sister. Not be just Okpila. No. Not be just Okpila. I don't know a person we married for inside this Lagos. The man they abroad, she they here. She tell the man say come here. They come back come here. We go do court wedding. Our family for Lagos, they are Yorubas. They say for waiting. Why you go do court wedding? When we started, they do court wedding for inside Nigeria. Why? Waiting. She got to explain. Now, when she got to explain to the man could explain to them, say, now just formality. Not be say she go carry all my property, or she go carry my job, or my work and everything, my company. Say, now just for formality's sake. Some people, they do, not just Okpila.
that hope will
people together
serious till today as I did.
But you know what? Since they always talk and say the society don't actually spoil the term marriage. How we fit? What do we fit to as ladies now? What do we feel actually to?
Yeah, I like that question where you ask, because as Elvina don't talk, the truth about the matter, we say they among people where they actually spoil the institution of marriage. Because if you decide, say, okay, at the age of 42, you want a date man of 34 years, and still agree, say, okay,
they give the boy green light, say you won't settle with him.
No, but the boy too like her, because if you don't like him, because he not the man for inside relationship, whether she be 100 years or 150 years, him not still the man for inside the relationship, and now him go determine, okay, I actually want to marry and I want to settle down. If you know agree settle down with me, then make her walk her go. Because for the interview, she say yes, say she dey happy. So she dey happy out of wedlock. So why she go and spoil the happiness? Make she sign paper, can't cage herself. Now I say you still got some particles of agaracha for inside your body. Yes. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to marry because you want that leverage of if anything go wrong. Maybe the guy decides today say, maybe the guy shouts today say, I know like somewhere you do, you go say, what nonsense, why they shout on me, then you move on to the next.
Small picking like
say, you feel say you know fit day on that man. That's so the problem now with you, Elvina, not be with the society, not be with marriage. I understand where she they come from, where she say Urhobo men, blah 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 blah. Yes, I come from Delta State, not only Urhobo men, Delta as a whole, and some other tribes as well.
In short, everywhere.
Now, so yes, now everywhere. Now, so it happen. But at the end of the day, you go still like she talks. She said many women they rush into marriage because of the pressure from society. Yes, I agree. But after that, if you take your time and say, okay, you want actually meet person, like they talk, no perfect person and no right person. They say if you don't see Mr. Right, drag Mr. Left, enter right. Not true. Now say you go actually take your time, understand the person, find out if you're compatible, and then even the one where they say na marriage from heaven, then they get issues. But now as you go settle them, now they make the marriage stand. So Elvina, you need counseling. Really, you need counseling.
No, she really need that. For what Betiana talk, it just boils down to the fact that most ladies, where they talk to, they don't believe in marriage. You need to change your mentality.
Yes.
You need to change them. Yes. The kind of idea which they get, you put for your crowd your head with. You need to change them.
Yeah,
and that's not the only way you feel actually.
True, because I also believe, say, even when society they talk some kind of things, you as an individual need to get yourself together. Sit down, look and say, okay, I don't believe yes. How me I feel change them. Yeah. When they like all these things, say change begin with you. Both of us sitting on that. If you look yourself in the mirror, who you they see? Yourself. So obviously, if you change your own thinking, change yourself, say, what did they worry me? Why I know fit? Waiting they come, okay, I want to show these people say marriage not be waiting then they call them. So Elvina, if you sit down, if you say marriage don't yama yama, you sit down, change the marriage. When another person look you say, oh, Elvina talk this, no, she don't change them. I go follow that path. Not just come and say society don't do one thing. If you do something.
Funny enough, I just remember that show where we go where she's down by our side.
Okay.
I'm not gonna talk too much, but Elvina, you need counseling.
Right. Oh,
she get personal issues.
They need counseling.
She need counseling.
They need counseling. Can we not just talk about this matter?
The thing is, I did not be say I don't get words to say, but you know when you can't know somebody reach.
I know.
An extent, if you won't come talk about it, and somebody out there no go understand, so you go be like say they talk the thing over too much.
They don't understand.
So it good may you draw the line of what you go talk, may you give other people chance to think and talk their own, but not change people mentality. I mean my own.
Yes.
You don't believe in marriage. No mean say marriage they wrong everywhere.
We believe in marriage.
We believe in marriage.
What is that? They start from Friday.
You don't see us my hand fire. Hello.
How are you? All right, from there we go enter inside Obodo Yubo. Now, people not they believe in marriage, but some people they believe say, I need to just they swim here up and down.
All right.
And the person where they believe say I need to swim here up and down, not be man, but this time now 80 years old pension, 80 years old pension, now 80.
Woman.
8 and 0, now woman and she be 8 and 0, woman and she be. Now, according to the information, they talk say she na person where they do adult film.
Okay.
80 years old. 80 years they do
this man don't resemble 80 years.
80 years they do adult film. Now because you differ. 80 years they do adult film, and she thought say she don't sleep with over, they say more than 1,000 men.
Okay,
I tell you. Now among the best way she don't actually sleep with, now one guy that they call Kylie Jones, maybe 31 years old, and this Kylie he talks say he just like to sleep with older women. And she actually come out, I talk, say she not even ready to settle down at all. She not ready, but she like the kind of profession which she don't decide to take. Oh, yes.
So they sleep highest paid profession.
Highest paid.
Because
like,
now the oldest job for the world, prostitution.
Hey, and now because they will not show you all the pictures. If you see some of the pictures where she wear her own laundry, I think we say they call lingerie, lingerie and everything, you'll be like, oh, mama, please.
And you think that kind of thing go to entice people?
No, but that's
31 years old.
31-year-old person, so you see.
And even the guy, I wish say we get the video. And even the guy come outside talk say he actually like older men. Not only this woman, the guy they actually knock. Yeah. He used to get 91 years old woman.
Hey,
where in they actually meet 91 years old.
Well, that's a spiritual problem. You know, just
to me, I just feel said you. But the woman maybe she. You know what's in my head?
The guy wants to that guy to kiss the woman.
My granny. No, you get one where they show for TV. You get one program. You get one where they show for TV. One age gap love. The woman they 63 or 67 thereabouts, and the guy they 25-year-old. Ask me how old the mama be. The mama they like 37. The mama kneel down, they beg the woman, please leave my son alone. And I said, but we are in love. Now the boy, don't look the woman, now he kiss her. Now she they tell her, the woman, see how mother.
I feel like it's doing you something. Why not that picture? So all of them are seeing.
Them they define love the other day. They go extreme when you are born. You feel find love at any age. But mama 80, you need to retire.
She needs to retire.
You really need to retire. To me, you need to retire. No be What if we can't teach the next generation? Amaka, calm down.
You know how my face be like this? I don't watch them. I don't see them. Okay. So when we talk, I just imagine, say, why? I never feel bring myself. I never feel think and enter my mind, say, some people still feel they. If you see this picture, you know go green look.
And the guy was happy.
Me no feel
the guy they happy. They caress her.
Really comfortable. If you see the boy mama, she cute, they young and everything. Yeah. But if you see the
those
woman,
kind of people feel
when they sit down, she don't wrinkle finish.
Yes, now she don't
when
wrinkle.
When I mean wrinkle. She see that my grandmama. She don't wrinkle finish, small, tiny.
I know the Igbo skin.
And yes. Then you can imagine the man come put hand.
Call the keys, they call the keys.
Can we just talk on about that?
Yes. Another ew. Oh. Another.
Because you not say actually we don't treat this kind of story for here where one woman, 80-something too, she come outside talk say the reason, but she was looking very good. So the reason why she did very still
yes, that because she did younger men. But this particular story just be as it gets.
No. What if the reason why they live longer now because they actually meet younger men?
Yes, and we encouraging the other women now to be looking at younger men.
No, I'm just saying.
No, but even research talk say if you actually so me you wear well, it help you. It depends on the kind of lifestyle where you live again. You need to stay healthy for you today. It extend your life. It go make you strong. Go make you day active. But they not say you go reach 80. So make somebody not go take and wrongly talk say that the thing make you marry. But you must at least stay healthy. But
Quimby, I want to ask you one question. Maybe we don't see some kind of stories.
Can we move on?
No, we can't move on. We don't see some kind of stories. Last one. We don't see some kind of stories where we say the man way down old. He they actually say me with young.
Yes,
and I go buy. Why we say the woman not they cry from excitement?
I don't understand. Men they quick get heart attack.
All right, at this point we're going to buy a small break. When we come back, we're going to continue to talk about you guys and everybody. When they come back, I beg. All right, my people, now welcome to Talk. And not forget, say you were there out there. If you want to join the bad wagon of people.
The bad wagon.
Bad wagon. Oh, I said band wagon now.
Not be bad, band.
Okay, band wagon of people where they watch us, where they follow us. You're going to need to enter our website, will be www.wazobiatv.tv. And if you want to watch us live, www.wazobiatv.tv/live. And on top Facebook, we did there, talk-wazobia TV. I'm right.
But not the controller.
And on top Twitter, we did there for at
talk Wazobia.
If you see the Twitter on the way within my head.
I know the GIMNS. Because they get my head sometimes.
They do your head too.
Sometimes I'm in traffic, remains small. I could just say, tweet us as